Hello, this is Chitran from Just Tutors. Today in this video we are going to learn more about fundamental unit of life. Here are some warm-up questions. Pause the video, try these questions. These are the answers to your warm-up questions. If your answers are correct, then very well done. You have shown really good basic knowledge about the topic which you have learned in the last video. Let's move ahead and look into the objectives of this video. The very first objective is cell wall. It followed by nucleus, cytoplasm and ER. Let's go. Cell wall. What is it? Cell wall is a structural layer that protects some types of cells situated outside the cell membrane. It can be tough, rigid or flexible. It provides cells both structural support and protection, and it also acts as a filtering mechanism. Plasmolysis is a phenomenon when a living plant cell loses water through osmosis and there is shrinkage or contraction of the contents of the cell away from the cell wall. They give cells rigidity, strength and offer protection against mechanical stress. In multicellular organisms, they also permits the organisms to build and hold its shape. Cell walls also limit the entry of large molecules that may be toxic to the cell. They further permit the creation of stable osmotic environments. Now, it comes nucleus. The nucleus is an organelle found in eukaryotic cells. Inside its fully enclosed nuclear membrane, it contains the majority of the cell's genetic material. This material is organized as DNA molecules, along with a variety of proteins to form chromosomes. Each nucleus has two layers of covering, which is called nuclear membrane. You can see in this picture here. This membrane has pores in it to allow the transfer of material from inside the nucleus to its outside, that is to the cytoplasm. When the cells are about to divide, we can see a rod-like structure which is chromosome. Now what are chromosomes? Such organisms, let's discuss chromosomes first. Chromosomes are made up of protein and DNA. They contain information to inherit features from parents to next generation in the form of DNA. Genes are the functional segments of DNA. In a process where one cell divides into two cells, the nucleus plays a central role. Whenever the cell is about to divide, the chromatin material gets organized into chromosomes. In some organisms, the nuclear membrane is absent, such as undefined nuclear region is known as nucleoid. Such organisms who do not have cell membrane is known as prokaryotes. Here are pictures of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. This is prokaryotic cell and this is a eukaryotic cell. For your better understanding, you can pause the video and look into it. Now it is cytoplasm. It is a material or protoplasm within a living cell, excluding the nucleus. The fluid content inside the cell membrane, this one which you can see in this picture, is cytoplasm, and it contains many cell organelles. Each organelle performs a special function for the cell. In prokaryotes, the membrane-bound cell organelles are also absent. The eukaryotic cells have nuclear membrane as well as membrane enclosed organelles. Then we have practice questions. Try these questions, pause the video and then check your answers on the next slide. Here are answers for all those practice questions. If your answers are correct, very well done. Pat your back and keep it up like this. That's all for this video. For more videos, keep watching justtutors.com. Thank you.